Don't touch me! Yes, dude. This is getting old. Yeah, for real. Let's go. This is getting super f***ing old. Let's go.
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna arrest you for trespassing.
I'm riding a scooter, so shut up.
This is.
I don't give a fuck. I'm riding a scooter. What are you coming at me aggressively for? What am I doing?
Because you've been aggressive.
This encounter is about to cross a legal line. At first, officers are giving repeated commands to leave the property, but once someone refuses lawful orders after multiple warnings, trespassing becomes a real possibility. The big question now is simple: does she walk away, or make a decision that changes the entire night?
Because you've been aggressive.
This is my fucking car.
Then get the fuck
So
out.
mind your fucking business. Maybe if you were doing your job, then you'd understand. So fuck you, ghetto ass. You're gonna fucking come on. No, get off me and let me put my shit back. I'm pretty sure this scooter is under my name.
Can we take the scooter out? You can take the scooter out.
Wait, I'm gonna deck him in the face, you worthless. You want to come after us? Oh, I'm coming at you because I'm a big fat bitch.
Okay, sounds good. You probably should, dude.
Oh, but yeah, you guys are letting someone drive away after they want to. Yeah, get my
DT22, can you add a 26 when you're ready, please?
bitch, you ain't getting shit.
I already got
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
You're gonna go to jail.
You're not gonna go and take me to jail for shit, bitch. What are you gonna arrest me for? Yeah, bitch, get the fuck away from my car. Wait, I'll call my dad right now. What are you gonna arrest me for?
Trespassing.
Trespassing, bitch, I'm getting the fuck out of here with this white ass fat bitch that doesn't know how to do fuck good for herself. You fucking waste of space. Big waste of fucking space. That's all you big bitches are.
Get your girl. She's gonna go to jail for
Get your girl. That ain't my mad bitch.
I don't give a
I'm
fuck.
26 years old, then what? What are you gonna arrest me for?
disorderly
You wanna
conduct.
fucking touch me, bitch? You're lucky I don't fucking you in your face. Bitch. Fucking white bitch.
Let's go.
You're what? You didn't do shit when my homie got
mom. Just lost her mom, okay?
You're a worthless. You didn't do shit when my homie got fucked in the face. You drive my face. No, this bitch is the same bitch that stood there while my homie got fucked in the face.
Broadway and Avita to the Chalmers. It's going to be a blue Toyota RAV4. It's going to be Toyota safety calling.
I don't, dude, it's time to go. It's time to go.
Fucking dumb white
I'm gonna take her out of here.
Fucking don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't fucking touch me! No, you guys have been literally attacking me all night! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Orlando! Record them! Record them! Get off of me! Get off of me! Dude, I'm trying to go home to my kids! You guys go out! This is my first night out! Get off of me! Get off of me! I don't go out! Get off of me, you guys! I'm not even drinking! Please get off of me!
Notice the dramatic shift. Just moments ago the confrontation was filled with insults and defiance, but the instant the handcuffs come out, the story changes completely. Cameras often capture both sides of an encounter, and juries, prosecutors, and viewers all notice those sudden changes in behavior. What would you make of it?
Get off of me, you guys! Like, I'm trying to go home! I'm trying to go home, you guys! Like, stop! Get off of me! I have 2 kids to come home to.
Well, you're not
I've
going
been
home
trying to go
tonight.
home all night. I was trying to ride scooters.
You just got a felony.
Drinking. I'm not even. You guys, please, like, please.
You can't be hitting a cop.
I'm not trying to hit a car.
You just did.
That's not what I'm trying to do. You guys, like, please. I've never been in trouble before. Please don't.
Well, you just got a felony,
No,
so
like, I'm not trying to.
good job.
Please, you guys, like, really, like, please, officer.
We're going over here.
Please, you guys, like, I've been trying
You're
to
under
do
arrest.
you guys all night.
You're under arrest.
I've been trying to be cool all night.
Here's where the stakes jump dramatically. Officers are now talking about a possible felony because they believe physical contact was made during the arrest. A split-second decision in a heated moment can transform a minor trespassing incident into charges carrying much more serious consequences. That's a costly escalation.
I'm trying to be cool all night. Like, please don't, you guys.
No, we don't have discretion. You just committed a felony.
Okay. I'm sorry. Like, I did not. I'm just freaked out. I've never been in trouble by cops,
right
you
here.
guys. Like, I've never been in trouble by.
He's gonna focus
No, I don't.
You didn't have buckets?
No, I don't. I've never
that
been
a
in
bucket?
trouble. It's not. It's not. You guys, please. I'm so sorry. I didn't. Yeah, like, that's not what I'm trying to do. I don't know. Like,
It's too late. You're
you
gonna go to
guys,
jail.
please, no. Like,
Let's go.
please, no. I'm
And then
not.
if you would like You're some more going to jail. charges, we can add some more charges. All
I'm
right.
not, but you guys, please. Like, I
Walk
have
to the
babies
car.
to go home to.
Walk to the car.
I have babies
All right.
to go home
Now
to.
you're catching resisting too. Get in the
Please,
car.
I'm not trying to get in trouble. Please, you guys. Like, I'm not trying to get in trouble. You guys, please, I have babies to go home to.
Kick your feet in. It's a felony.
I've been good to you guys. Like, I literally reported.
While officers were trying to arrest her, this man tried to run.
I'm out. I'm not even touching you.
Get on the f***ing ground now. Turn around.
Me? I was just taking care of him, bro.
Cool.
I was just taking care of him.
Look at me, bro. Look at me. Hey, everything's cool right now. I'm not going to slam you to the ground, nothing like that.
Now watch how fast another person gets pulled into the situation. Running toward or away from an active arrest immediately raises officers' concerns. Even if someone's intentions are harmless, unexpected movements force police to secure the scene first and sort out explanations afterward. Chaos spreads quickly.
You're going to be detained right now until we figure out what's going on.
She's
Cool?
just going
You're
crazy.
not under
I was trying to
arrest.
take her home, bro.
You're not under arrest. You're detained right
She's
now.
going crazy.
Yeah, we're going to figure it out, bro.
That's fine, bro. I was just trying to take her home.
Can you step away from my officer, please? Thank you. I
I have
appreciate
my
it.
rights.
Yeah, I know.
I have my rights.
You have your right to
No, I
not
have
be in
my
back of
rights.
my officer.
I have my rights. That's my sister. No.
Okay.
No. No. No.
Okay.
No.
Could you get away from my officer, please?
No.
Okay.
No. I have my rights. No.
Okay.
No.
You have your rights, but when you start
No.
interfering with the investigation.
No. That's my sister right there.
Okay. Struck an officer. Did you record that?
What's your badge?
5342.
Okay.
People often say, I know my rights, and that's important, but rights come with limits during an active investigation. Standing nearby is one thing, interfering with officers is another. Knowing where that legal boundary exists can make the difference between walking away or facing charges yourself.
Thank you.
Okay, are you here in the parking lot? Are you parked here? Because it's marked no
Yeah, this is
loitering.
my sister's car right here.
Okay, you need to take off then.
No, I don't. I don't have to.
Yeah, you do.
Nope, I don't.
You do. It's
No,
private
I don't.
property.
I don't. I don't.
This is no hanging out. You'll be arrested for trespassing. I'm not playing. So take off. You got 5 seconds to get out of here. You're going to be going to jail. So step outside the parking lot. Outside the tent.
I just came out with this with my brother, actually. He's in the club right now, bro, and I was just trying to get her to a fucking room. And she wants to swear out on cops, and I told her, don't with the cops, bro. I'm cool with all of them. I cut their hair. Bro.
Just make sure that he had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, bro.
I just got to make sure.
You good, bro. Y'all got a job to do. I understand, bro.
I appreciate you being calm. We'll get
So,
it figured out.
I'm here with y'all, man. I ain't under no bullshit, so y'all got to do what y'all got to do. I got it. I get it.
Go ahead and turn
Y'all
around, bro. Hey, I appreciate you being cool, Isaac.
Of course, man. If y'all want to cut, bro, I'm sorry. This is our fucking approach. But if y'all need a haircut, bro, come to Showtime Barbershop.
You're good.
You don't want to solicit me. I'm bad for business.
Sir, I respect
Thank you.
all of you.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
I respect all of you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, bro. It looks like the bad shit, bro. You have a good night, too.
Are those her keys or your keys?
These are hers.
I just want to make sure she gets them back.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Talking to you, fool?
You know they love to throw that word around until it's time to throw that word around.
Well, I guess having our back go there. Oh boy.
My car is locked, right? Do you know by chance?
I'm not too sure. But we can check on it later.
Okay.
Go ahead, step
Am
out.
I going to jail?
Yes.
Like to a different place than this?
Yes. So, right now, you are under arrest for battery on a peace officer, resisting, and
You guys, like, please no. I'm so scared. I've never been in trouble before.
well, it's a hell of a way to start off your record.
Scared, dude.
We're going over
I
here.
don't know how to. I'm so scared, you guys.
Don't
Like,
make
I
this
wanna
any worse.
do
I need
this.
you to keep walking.
I'm just really scared, you guys. I'm not like, am I gonna be left without my kids forever? Like, I'm sorry, you guys. I just like don't know how this all works. Like,
So,
Like I told you, as soon as we know something, you're gonna know something too. But the first step is getting in the door.
am I gonna
Okay?
be left without my kids though?
Let's go.
Like,
We'll chat.
you
Okay.
need to walk inside.
you guys, I'm just scared. I just want my babies. I don't want to be left without them. Like, that's all I have is my babies. Like, I shouldn't have even came out tonight. Fucking aim, man. I knew I was gonna regret it. Like, fucking aim. I don't want to be left Without my sorry.
So we're gonna go have a seat on that back bench, okay? All the way to the back for me. Are you gonna be cool from now on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Go ahead, stand up for me. We're gonna head right around this corner here to your right.
Can we have a good
The one on the left? Yeah. Okay. Let me do that right here real quick. Before we get you up there. How's that better? Just a little bit more? Alright. I can get a finger in there, so I can't loosen it up anymore for you. Sorry about that. We're gonna go here to the left, okay? Or to the right. My bad. Alright.
I'm scared. I've never been in trouble before.
Well, it's a hell of a way to start off your record.
Asterisk, what started as a refusal to leave a parking lot has now ended inside a jail. It's a reminder that many arrests don't begin with major crimes. They begin with small decisions that snowball after emotions take over. One calm choice early on could have changed everything. What do you think was the biggest turning point?